huyu mimi hapo kisniper, nimeshikilia simu kwa barabara watu wasione. Madam ana record nini, lakini we don't care. Najua you'll ask me why do I like doing these houses in the evenings. That because I take evening walks. So kama hiyo light haikubambi, sorry brother, sorry sister, this is what it is. But I hope you love these houses, especially this particular one. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vicky Mugambi, and when I am not lazy, I decide to go around looking for houses that you might love. So this is NDENDERU, or almost NDENDERU, near RUAKA restaurant. For those of you who live along Limuru Road, you know where NDENDERU is. It's just a few minutes from RUAKA. So this house is pretty. It goes for 30,000 Kenya shillings plus 1,000 of maintenance and security and amenities or whatever. So basically it's 31,000 per month if you want to live here. Aya, wacha niachekongea mob alafu muangalie hii hao. Hii hao iko na chandelier. And then the thing that I loved most about this house was the kitchen. Look at the kitchen cabinet. Zinakaa tu na class yake, yani zinakaa sonko fulani mwenye haja make it, lakini ako on the way of making it. Yeah. Okay, I don't know about the tiles so much, but look at this. I like the way that most of the doors of these houses they have mirrors, like or they have window panes. Don't judge me. Yes, and the view. Look at the view. This is what you get to see if you're living in this house. Look at that view. And the fresh air. The thing I love most about living in this area is the fresh air. The fresh air, guys. The fresh air. I did not say fresh hair. No, I said fresh air. Wachanini na mimi. But as you can see, water is in 24/7. You'll never run out of water while living in this house. I don't know about you, but I think this kitchen counter is big enough for you to prepare your food in. And you can see this kitchen has a lot of sockets, yeah? So you can put your kitchen appliances across the kitchen. You can put your fridge or your cooker there. You can put your fridge or your cooker again there. You can have your microwave close by because you can see it has a lot of sockets. It has one toilet. It's the guest bathroom. You can see it's just a toilet, and then it has a corridor mirror. You can look at yourself as you wash your hands. And then we go to the first bedroom. Look at this bedroom door. It looks a bit classy. Si kama zile tumezoea za Iceland. Okay, sorry guys, for those of you who are living in Iceland. Anywho, you can see the floor. Like, there's some class to this house. I think the landlord had put some effort in making sure he has built some nice houses. And I think it's very affordable for 31 Kenya shillings. These are the cabinets. They are huge enough. You can see it has a lot of sockets again. You can have your bedroom appliances. You can have, yeah. Take a look at those cabinets. But remember, this is an ensuite bathroom. So it's a 2-bedroom with both. I'm just looking at the details of these handles. with both bedrooms having a bathroom inside. So let us take a look at the first bathroom. It has the shower, but remember these are new houses, so you get to do your own shower. You can hang your towels there. You can look at yourself there. You can do your makeup there. You can remove your makeup from this bathroom, from that sink. You can put your towels there. Headed to the second bedroom. There's a table there that wasn't in the other room and a big mirror. So I'm guessing this is the master bedroom. I have put my water bottle there so that I won't forget it. Because remember, I'm doing this during my walk. I am walking to, just because I like taking long evening walks. Like before I got here, I'd walked for about 30 minutes. Yes. Those are the cabinets. They're huge enough, and I'm thinking this bedroom is bigger than the other one. You can see the toilet there, and I think the tiles for the bathroom are really decent. I don't know about you, but I like plain white tiles or plain colors of tiles. The mini flowers just look like ushamba. Yeah. So that is the bathroom for the second bedroom. One thing about this house, it has a lot of sockets. So there's a lot of outlets for electricity. In every room, be it the kitchen, the living room, the corridors, the bedrooms, there's a lot of outlets for whatever appliances that you have, for you to charge your phone and do any other business. So because mimi ni kiherehere, napenda kuona kila kitu na napenda kuoneshana kila kitu, I decided to go to the rooftop. Remember the previous houses I showed you in NDENDERU? They're right next to these houses. And yeah, they also have a rooftop. I love houses with rooftops. I wish I could get the topmost house, but that one is occupied, as you have seen. And this is the rooftop. You can have your birthdays here. You see the other side? That is still on these houses. Yeah, and this is the view of NDENDERU. Isn't that even beautiful? It's right on the highway. Yes, I believe this is just so beautiful. And kumbuka, this is just one side of the rooftop. There is another side, which is on that side where you see that light. So this is just one side of the rooftop that looks this beautiful. So let's go to the other side. Crossing, crossing, crossing. And here we are. Remember, this is the last topmost house, but here is the rooftop on the other side. You can see Joak building is just right here. That is Joak. Mali najaribu kuchukua video, but sasa kuko na the other building where I was. This is the previous building that I did, whose video I did. So yeah, this is downstairs. You can see how big the parking is. This is the basement as I am headed out. So good luck in looking for these videos. If you want, I will just put the contact details of the caretaker and the agent of this house here. So this is how it looks in the dark, but I'll put a few photos. Nakwambia kamera ilikataa kufocus usiku nezima light, but ni sawa tu. Ndio hiyo. I love you guys. Be safe, work hard, afford houses. I am trying to afford these houses myself. Where? Yeah, it is the life that we live. Bye.